Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So let's unbox this new joystick that I just purchased. Now why did I purchase this new joystick? Because of the stick drift issues. Have you faced any stick drift issues till now? I have not faced any, but I just was curious to know how they have solved the problem. This company claims to have solved the issue properly. So this company claims to have solved the issue permanently. Nice packing. I guess you guys have already recognized the company. Yes guys, this is it. Many of you here already know about this company, GuliKit. This is the one. You can pause the video and see what is written, mostly in Chinese. There are some English translations. I think so, yeah. So they say they have got a new patented electromagnetic sticks, highly accurate and long life. This is the technology which has actually solved the issues of stick drift. So let's open the box and check it out. This is how the joystick looks. So I like the white color because most of my joysticks are black. So this time I have taken a white color one. So it supports all these formats: PC, iOS, Switch, Android, USB Type-C, 10 meters transmission distance. This is the battery capacity. Okay, let's open it and let's check it out. Oh nice, they're giving it in a carrying case, so you can protect it when you're not using the joystick. That's good. What else is in the box? It looks like the USB cable. Yes, a flat cable. Nice. I don't know if it can transmit data, but looks good quality. And they're given some QR codes, I think instructions. Yeah, okay, and what else? And more product information. So this is the box. Let's just keep this inside and let's look at the joystick or gamepad, whatever you call it. Okay, nice packing. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at it guys, it's white, it's proper white. Nice case. I don't like the hinge. The hinge will break eventually. That's fine. Could have been a better case at the hinge. Remaining plastic is fine. It's hard. It's a hard plastic, so nice. Okay, so the size of this joystick is just a minute. Give me a minute. Okay, to compare the size of this joystick, I got the Xbox X controller, Series X controller, exactly the same footprint. Thickness wise, this one seems thicker because there is a battery compartment. This is rechargeable, so it's slimmer over here. And thumbsticks smooth. Yes, this part is very smooth to just rotate this. And these are quite clicky. These are slightly, yeah, they are clicky, but I think I like these better. Yeah, I like these better. And what about the D-pad, which is so important nowadays for retro gaming? Nah, I think this I'll use only for the modern games. I'll use this. This is best for retro gaming, so I can do this for NES, Neo Geo and Sega, Super Nintendo and all that. Again, if you compare it with the PS3 joystick, then that's massive then. Yeah, that's massive. This was the best joystick I ever had. I mean, when I was playing with the PS3. I use it still with the PC, corded or uncorded, both. It works, Bluetooth, fantastic, perfect. No stick drift issues, touchwood till now. But this one looks, yeah. This one is heavier than this, of course. This is quite light and very handy. Triggers, very soft, very soft triggers. Shoulder buttons, oh, these are nice. The shoulder buttons are very nice. I like the shoulder buttons, and the triggers very easy to operate, and sticks are very easy. Keys I would prefer of this. Even the PlayStation keys are very nice, but they are mushy. These are nice and clicky. I like these. D-pad definitely of the Xbox controller. That's it. They have a USB-C cable goes over here for charging, and then you can select whatever you want directly from the controller. There is Switch, Windows, Android, and I think this is, I don't know what this is, but iOS it connects, they say. So that's it, guys. If you like this comparison, if you want me to make a further review after using the controller, how it feels while gaming, then please drop in the comments, write about it, and I'll make the video reviewing after a few hours of play, or maybe after a week of play with this. Then I'll come back to you. So guys, if you like this video, hit the like button. Please share this video, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you back in 1 week reviewing this after 1 week's use on Steam and non-Steam games, on PC, retro games and modern games. Till then guys, enjoy and have a nice day. Thanks guys.